This is the moment we're all waiting for. A little muddy, but it's dinner time and it's spring and the sun's shining and I have a lot of shit to pick up by myself. But yeah. Hi Leo. I love you. Aww. Hi. You guys. Our pigeons that live under here that we're trying to try to get them rehomed, but I know they all want dinner. Sash, you have a... Oh no, hey. Hey, Sash. Instantly, like, activated by hey. Riley's like... Riley's like, why did you ever get that dog? Hi, baby. He was so peaceful before. Do you, like, ever give your horse courses of meals? So it's like, their appetizer is going to be 1 flake of hay. And then for dessert, they get some grain. Guys, being so wasteful. James. Oh. I can't be mad. Can't be mad. Hi. I know him. He's gonna win me $5,000 soon. Eh? I'm taking a hike to look for my favorite pitchfork. But I don't know where it is. Barb's new bridle. And then this is James's bridle. 2-piece O-ring. Kind of didn't mean to not have a chin strap, but it's all I had. I didn't have a chin strap on it at the time, and I was like, mom's holding her waiting for me to grab this. So anyways, rode in it without it, and I actually enjoyed it. Thanks, Emily Belt or something from Quebec. It's actually a pretty cool bit. Anyways, moving on. No pitchfork. Just kidding. Not to brag, but we picked up all that shit by hand in a year. Wow, the horse are like, this stuff is so like this afternoon's hay. It's so dry and just... Sash! What a bad dog. No! What a shithead. Why? Anyways. Whatever I was saying about the horses. Wasteful. So this is Lucy. Yes, you know. I was trying to sell her for a while and it was kind of up in the air, seeing if I was gonna get what I wanted, and I wasn't. I was like, I didn't really want to sell her, but like money and stuff. So anyways, what did we do instead? We bought a breeding to guys keeping the fame in Alberta. I'm not even kidding. Me and mom were like, well, should we just split it? So here's to creating what you actually want, I guess, is part of the thing. Or like, want another baby? And it's like, well, we could sell her, but I didn't want to. Didn't work, so guess we'll have a baby next year. To some people, it's a beach. But this is paradise. Riley. My little girl. Oh my god. Oh, there seems to be a bird stuck in our barn. Oh my. It's given her. Okay. This is the thing. Do I risk opening the door? Oh Oh my god, there's 2. Okay, I'm coming. I really hope they fly out. I was just about to record and it flew away. Gonna use my bag on a stick here. I hope they're all gone. There was 2 and I only saw 1 leave, so here's your eye. Wow, look at these barrel patterns, so good. That 3rd. You can check out first line. I mean, it's a small pattern, but still, actually, you can see the tracks. I mean, there's lots of tracks because I do like a ton of crazy stuff. Second, you can see. I would be happy with that. I would be stoked with this 2nd barrel. That mofo. Yeah. Oh my god. Sasha, get them. Sasha, you're useless. Look at yourself. I know. So, current setup for grain. Each their own bucket. Leo and T, he's only 3. They get together, so it's kind of mixed, but it's all good. Barb's over there by herself. I should pick those buckets up. And then the special guys, James and Gray, get their oil. So they come in for that because it's about using Equine Omega Complete. Represent. Yeah, so show season, getting horses ready. Just maintaining, really. Can't really see what they look like, but they look pretty good.